Explainable AI XAI, making ML models transparent. Imagine a world where decisions about your loan approval, medical diagnosis, or even legal judgment are made not by a human, but by a machine learning model. Now imagine not knowing why that decision was made. That's the reality we're facing today with many artificial intelligence systems. As AI continues to evolve and take on bigger roles in society, there's a growing demand from governments, industries, and the public for greater transparency and accountability. That's where Explainable AI, or XAI, comes in. Explainable AI is all about making machine learning models understandable to humans. Traditionally, many powerful AI systems, especially those based on deep learning, function like black boxes. They take in data, process it in complex ways, and produce an output. But how they arrive at that output isn't always clear, even to the people who built them. This lack of clarity can be dangerous, especially when these systems are involved in making critical decisions. XAI aims to solve this problem by making the decision-making process visible, logical, and interpretable. Let's say an AI system denies someone a mortgage application. With a black box model, the individual would have no idea why. Was it their income, their credit history, something else? XAI tools can help break down the decision and show the reasoning behind it. Maybe the system flagged an unusual spending pattern or identified a drop in employment stability. By revealing these details, XAI not only builds trust but also gives users a chance to correct errors or misunderstandings in their data. This transparency isn't just helpful, it's becoming essential. In fields like finance, healthcare, and law, the stakes are incredibly high. A wrong decision by an AI in any of these sectors could mean financial ruin, a misdiagnosed illness, or an unfair legal outcome. Professionals in these fields need to understand how an AI reached its conclusion in order to validate, challenge, or explain it to others. Without explainability, using AI responsibly becomes nearly impossible. Moreover, as governments around the world begin regulating AI technologies, explainability is quickly becoming a legal requirement. Regulations like the European Union's GDPR include the right to explanation, meaning individuals can ask for an explanation when a decision is made about them by automated means. Companies and institutions using AI must now be able to justify their model's choices. That's a big reason why XAI is gaining so much attention. Explainable AI also plays a crucial role in creating ethical machine learning systems. Without visibility into how an AI thinks, it's easy for hidden biases to creep in. These biases can lead to discriminatory outcomes, like denying job interviews to certain demographics, or recommending harsher sentences in criminal justice cases based on race or socioeconomic status. XAI helps developers spot these biases by exposing how decisions are being made, allowing them to refine and improve the model to ensure fairness and equality. There are different techniques in XAI depending on the type of model. For simpler models like decision trees or linear regression, explanations are more straightforward. They show how each input contributed to the output. For more complex models like neural networks, techniques like Shapley additive explanations, and LIME, local interpretable model agnostic explanations, help break down the black box and show which features influence the decision the most. These tools make it easier for non-experts to understand AI behavior. Ultimately, explainable AI isn't just about technical transparency, it's about trust. If people are going to accept decisions made by machines, they need to feel confident that those decisions are based on logic, fairness, and data they can understand. XAI bridges the gap between human reasoning and machine computation, helping build AI systems that are not only powerful, but also accountable. So, as we move further into a future where AI has a say in many parts of our lives, the question isn't just what decision the AI made, it's why. And with explainable AI, we're finally beginning to get the answers.